Do you know how hard it is to carry your phone in a community where people believe that posting on social medias means you don't have something serious doing? Now, imagine doing that as a mother of five. Today, I want to tell you why I started YouTube and the challenges behind the scene where nobody sees. If you're new here, my name is Adia. This is Ademe's channel, and I'm a mother of five living in this community trying to build something bigger than my environment. This video is not just about YouTube, it's about courage, it's about mindset, and it's about choosing growth when everything around you says don't try. I didn't start YouTube because it was easy. I started YouTube because I saw possibility and I saw a future that I desire in YouTube. As a farmer and as someone that sees rural life every day, I realized something that people in the cities don't see how much value is in our villages. They don't see the hard work, they don't see the beauties, they don't see the opportunities we see around us. And I asked myself a simple question: what if I use my phone to show the world our stories? Not just for the views, not just for the money, but to create opportunity for my children, for my farm, and for my community. That was how I started my Rural Farm Life channel, Admin Rural Farm Life and Growth channel. If you watch some of my early videos or some of my early content on that channel, you will laugh. I didn't know how to view. I didn't know how to edit. In fact, I didn't know some of the editing software. No, did I know how to create thumbnails? I didn't even know how to niche. I had to ask some questions. How can I niche? What was even niching? All I could do was view the farm or view the community. Just say something from the background and then post. But let me tell you the truth. Starting YouTube in my community is not easy at all. Sometimes you record a full video, you edit, you're happy, you finish everything. Now trying to upload, and the network disappears totally. You wait hours and sometimes even a full day waiting for the network to restore in order for you to upload your content. And most times this is what I do. I try checking out places with stronger network connections in order to help me upload my video or my content. People in the city click upload and sleep. But we in the rural areas or we in this community, we click upload, we start hoping, we start praying for it to be successful. This takes me to the next challenge we have in this community. What? Electricity. There are days when you want to edit, but there's no light. You have to manage your battery. You have to look for places or people with local generators to help you charge your phone. That was a serious challenge to me. You have to calculate everything. Sometimes the phone dies in the middle of edit, but I still continued. Now, this takes me to the next challenge as well, which is community mentality. To me, this was one of the hardest challenge I passed through in my community. In some area, when they see you pressing your phone, maybe trying to record, trying to edit, or do one or two things to finish your content, they will say, why is she always pressing her phone? Does she not have work to do? What is she trying to prove? To show us her phone or what? Some even say the phones they are holding is even better than mine. But I never mind. Because they only use those big phones they have to watch films, to play games, and so forth. And some even think that social media is only for the unserious. They laugh and mock at me when they see those mistakes I do with the thumbnails. And wow, those days were not funny at all. But what they don't understand is this. The same phone they laughed at is the same phone that can change a family's future. Now, add this challenge to it. Being a mother of five, your children will need attentions. Cooking, cleaning, school, family responsibilities everywhere. There are days when I want to record or edit my content. You find that a child will start crying. Another one over there needs attention. Another one will call him mommy. And I have to stop. Sometimes I record at night or I edit at night when they are all asleep. And sometimes I record early morning before the day starts. It is not perfect, but it's possible. In this journey, I realized something. If you plant a seed of desire within you and waters it with doubt and unbelief, it won't grow. It will never grow. You cannot say, I want to succeed, and at the same time say, what if people laugh at me? You can't say that. You must choose one. So I decided that let them laugh, let the network fail, and let the electricity go. I will still show up because one day consistency will speak louder than opinions. If you're watching this and you feel limited by your community or by your environment, let me tell you something. Your environment does not define your future, your mindset does. If you can start with what you have, you can start small. You can start imperfect, but start even if nobody understands you now. One day, they will. If this video encouraged you, please like. If you're also starting from a place where things are not easy, comment below. Let's support each other. And if you believe that small beginning can become big stories, subscribe to this channel because this journey is just getting started. Thanks for watching and bye.